This is Purnima Devi from SNSCT. Now I discuss about what is big data and what is the process of big data analytics, why we are using big data in recent days. So big data analytics is a systematic process and analysis of large amount of data and complex data sets. So these are all known as the big data. It will extract valuable insights. So number of data, based on the number of data, it will convert into a valuable insights and knowledgeable information. Big data analytics allows for uncovering trends, patterns, and correlations in large amount of raw data to help and make the informed decisions. So this process allows organizations to leverage exponentially growing data generated from the diverse resources, so including IoT, social media, financial transactions, smart drive actionable intelligence, and more. So in early 2000s, the software and hardware capabilities made it possible for organizations and to collect and handle large amount of unstructured data. So with this explosion of useful data, open source committees developed big data framework to store the process and this data. So the frameworks are used for distributed storage and processing of large data sets across a network of computers. So there are additional tools and libraries, big data frameworks used for change the data into a knowledgeable information. So there's some technical words which are used in this big data is the predictive modeling by incorporating artificial intelligence and statistical algorithm. So statistical analysis for in-depth data exploitation and to uncover hidden patterns. So what analysis to simulate different scenarios and explore potential outcomes. So processing diverse data sets including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured from various sources. So four main data analysis methods: descriptive, so some four analysis methods are descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. So these are all used to uncover insights and patterns within an organization's data. So these methods facilitate a deeper understanding of market trends, customer performance, and the important business metrics. So some differences between the big data and the traditional data. So the main difference between the big data and the traditional data is the type handled. So what type of data to be handled and which type of tools to be used to analyze the data. So the traditional data analytics deals with the structured. So this will be stored in a relational database, that is it will be stored in a rows and columns, that is database management system, that is rows and columns. So these type of database helps to ensure the data well organized and easy for computers to understand this. So traditional data analytics relies on statistical method and tools like structured query language for querying the database. In these big data, it involved the massive amount of data in various format. It will be either a picture or a structured format or either audio, video. This all these things will be included in the big data. So the main target is it will be used the data in either format, either structured or non semi-structured or unstructured. This complexity of this data requires more sophisticated analysis technique. In this analytics employs techniques like machine learning and data mining to extract information from complex data sets. It often requires distributed processing like Hadoop for manage the volume of data. So the four main data analytics method is descriptive analysis. This descriptive analysis tell about what happened. So what happened in this analysis. So this will be focus summarizing and describing the past data which that should be understand based on the basic characteristics. So the next one is diagnostic analysis. It will access why it is happened. So it will be analyze the deep about the data and the root pattern and trends, what are all the observed technique we are used in this particular data types. So the next one is predictive. So the predictive data type will shows what will be happen using of historical data which we are collected. The next one is prescriptive analysis. Then prescriptive analysis tell about what to do, which will be goes beyond the prediction to provide the recommendation for optimization solution. So these are all the basic big data analytics processes and the functions which we are used in this big data analytics. Thank you.